What that mean?
That means I'm gonna do another song.
No. What do you sing? What do you say?
I'm gonna sing a lullaby. Shush, have a good summer day.
No. What is the meaning in your song before?
The sea never sees the people, cause no, only sometimes, but not a lot.
Oh, you only see sometimes, not a lot.
No. Yeah.
Who the people?
The people in my song.
The people.
Like my mom and dad and
Like your
everyone
mom and
else.
your dad. Why don't you just say mom and my mommy and my daddy?
Okay.
Just say not people. Just say my mommy and my daddy. Same like that, okay? Okay, do again.
No, I want to do a different song.
Okay. So what is the next song?
It's called Nina when the Lovely.
Oh, okay.
Nina
in the Lovely. Why this hand do nothing? How about the other hand do nothing?
So this one needs to hold this. That's how the way.
Oh,
Really?
only this hand?
And the sky of the sea, above the kingdom of Aurora, area, Sirio Piloka.
Done?
No, I'm still turning the arrow.
Yay!
Okay, now it's the next song. The next song will be really sad.
Okay.
It's
Really sad, so I get ready to cry, okay?
Okay, I'm just sorry because
Cecilia kajsiab sing ít song go tu xia là chị là nơi tu nhà tay.
Wait, that's how the way you say. That's the
Ba
way.
xia qua nè ba đau sao có mưa nè. Okay, so cũng mà đi hai ôn mi cao. Okay, this is
my video and my video.
She's going to sing a song really sad. So her grandma get ready, tissue ready, and naked to ready to cry. And can you show that? So she will give me give me the tissue. And she's going to give me, go over there, show the tissue. Yeah, no, look at that. She's going to sing a really upset song. So she give me the tissue, ready to cry. Okay, baby, give to me. Okay, give to me. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
They love me, my soul, and say bye, and I despair, and then the whole family die. The whole people, no one sees the side, no one sees the side, and see a side of the street. There's so beautiful last year with no monsters, but with monsters, and then everyone died. Lullaby of the silly stories, Sprightly story, tiny, boring, shiny, boring, naughty, naughty, flory, leary, wally, You didn't cry.
Oh, I didn't cry.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to cry. Oh, 진짜 깎고라. It's so upset. So upset with the papa. Go one papa now cry with me. So upset. So upset. So upset.
Don't be
So.
sad. It's just a song.
Oh, don't be sad. Okay, that's a song. Okay, Cecilia hatiya 같이 섞어 하나 이상거 쓰나는
And guys, subscribe to my video and also see my video.
hatiya cái sai nữa có video nó em giờ tôi không có thiết nó guitar nữa. I translate for you, honey. Keep talking.
And my video is gonna come next year because I think I want to go on the stage. So you're gonna have my video on the stage. So bye. And hello. And also speak mom like I miss and your mom. Bye. And don't forget to cry. Or don't forget not to cry. On the other videos, Dolly, me, cecilia singing. So bye. Subscribe to my channel. Ring the ding bell. Bye.
And hi, bye bye.